LaTeX Math for Confluence lets you write professional math formulas and equations directly on your Confluence pages. Today, we'll show how to write summations, integrals, and common math functions in Confluence using LaTeX. To write summations in Confluence, use the sum command in LaTeX. Common examples include a sum from 1 to n, a double summation, and a sum of squares. To write integrals in Confluence, use the LaTeX integral command. Typical examples include an indefinite integral, a definite integral with limits, and a double integral over a region. LaTeX includes built-in commands for standard math functions, such as sine, cosine, and tangent, logarithm, and natural logarithm. And you can combine these functions into complete expressions, like the Pythagorean identity. Use display style inside inline formulas to make summations and integrals appear larger and more readable. With LaTeX Math for Confluence, all these commands render clean, editable formulas on your pages. Try LaTeX Math for Confluence free for 30 days on the Atlassian Marketplace.